A great food processor is the versatile workhorse of a kitchen, making it easy to dice onions for a recipe, mince parsley for seasoning, grind nuts into smooth butter, knead dough for pizzas and pastas, puree tomatoes for sauce, slice fresh veggies, shred cheese and even more. Using a food processor is like having your own personal sous chef, saving you from having to do tons of tedious and tiring prep work. There are numerous options for cheap food processors, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable food processors from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Breville Sous Chef 12-Cup Food Processor. Thanks to a super powerful motor, Breville's Sous Chef is the MVP when it comes to performance. It's stacked with bells and whistles to give you the ultimate versatility, including a micro-serrated S-blade, an adjustable slicer with 24 settings, a reversible shredder, a dough blade and more. This model earned perfect scores in nearly all of our tests, turning out evenly diced onions, minced parsley, perfectly ground Parmesan, and uniformly sliced tomatoes in seconds. The sleek silver Sous Chef has multiple feeding tubes, one of which is large enough to hold an entire tomato or 1-pound block of mozzarella. Keep in mind that this food processor's accessories are not dishwasher safe and will need extra care with cleaning. Number 2. Cuisinart Elemental 13-Cup Food Processor. Cuisinart is to food processors what Kleenex is to tissues. The brand has become a descriptor for the item itself. No wonder this model is our choice for most home cooks. The design is smart and straightforward. Clearly a lot of thought went into pre-troubleshooting. The 13-cup bowl is on the larger side, so you can go ahead and double that pie crust recipe. And the processor also comes with a 4.5-cup bowl to tackle smaller jobs. The slicing blade adjusts to 7 different thicknesses, and the reversible shredding blade allows for fine or coarse grating. Even the manual is spiral bound to make it easier to use. Number 3. KitchenAid 7-Cup Food Processor. This processor has 3 speeds: high, low and pulse, and we found that these functions allowed for even control depending on the task. We found that it easily and uniformly diced an onion, made short work of grinding Parmesan, and pulled together pie crust in a few pulses. However, if you're making emulsions or need to incorporate ingredients fully, like with pesto, processing on the high setting may take longer than more powerful models. The reversible slicing and shredding disc was easy to install, thanks to the manual's clear directions. It easily sliced half a zucchini with the help of the plastic food pusher. One thing to note, the feed tube isn't very wide, so if you're processing a lot of vegetables or fruit at one time, be sure to cut them accordingly and perhaps allow for a little extra time. We appreciated the twist-free design on this processor, which was intuitive to use and allowed the work bowl to click into the base easily. The flip-up lid easily latches over the work bowl, but we found that the food pusher that nests inside the feed tube often fell out, so either remove it or take extra care opening the lid after processing. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. Let's say you're looking for a solid food processor with a full-size capacity and plenty of functionality. This is a fantastic choice. It's thoughtfully designed, and the 12-cup size means it can handle a wide range of jobs. You only have one option for slicing thickness, but it works very well. It made quick work of a zucchini with nearly no waste. The same is true of the shredding blade, only one thickness, but very efficient. The buttons offer different levels of power, so each job gets done the way you want it to. Number 5. Breville Sous Chef Pro 16-Cup Food Processor. Best if money and space are no object. Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro. This is the Ferrari of food processors, almost as good as having an actual human Sous chef in your kitchen. They thought of everything for this one: different sized feed chutes, so you can slice or shred thick or thin items easily, 24 slicing thickness options, 5 cutting discs, so you can make anything from French fries to julienne vegetables, a timing function. Even the caddy that holds all the accessories is thoughtfully labeled, so you know what everything is at a glance. If the 16-cup capacity bowl is too much for the job at hand, grab the 2.5-cup mini processing bowl. The one thing to note is that it takes up nearly as much space as an actual Ferrari. This is not the model for small kitchens or anyone without a lot of counter space. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, Please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.